Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Imagine sending a single message on Telegram and an AI automatically creates a website, presentation, invitation card, or even completes complex multi-step tasks for you. The best part? You don't need to learn any new software or complicated workflows. Today, we're exploring Runable, an AI agent that works directly inside your favorite messaging apps. First, open your browser and search for Runable AI, or simply visit the website using the link I've included in the description. After signing in, you'll arrive at a clean and intuitive dashboard. In the center, you'll find the AI chat interface where you can describe tasks using natural language. There's no need to learn prompt engineering or write complex prompts. Just explain what you want, and the AI gets to work. At the top, Agent Mode is enabled, allowing Runable to handle complete multi-step workflows from beginning to end. On the left side, you'll also find options like Search, Claw, Workflows, Plugins, Skills, and Personalization, giving you additional ways to customize and enhance your workflow. However, today's video isn't about the web dashboard. Our main focus is Runclaw. So let's open the Claw section from the left sidebar. This is Runclaw. Its purpose is simple. It brings the Runable AI agent directly into your messaging apps, so you don't have to keep switching back to the dashboard. Different workflows that Runclaw supports. The first section is Research and Documents. For example, suppose I need to prepare a presentation for an upcoming board meeting. I simply send a natural language request. Now let's scroll a little further. Here we have design from a quick message. Whether you want to create an invitation card, birthday invitation, event flyer, or any other type of design, you simply send a short message. Within moments, Runclaw generates a professional, ready-to-use design and delivers it directly inside your chat. Next is community content. If you manage a Discord server or any online community, you can simply send a message. If we scroll further down, you'll also find some of Runclaw's key highlights. The first is Chat Naturally, meaning there's no need for prompt engineering. The second is Learns You, allowing the AI to remember your preferences and context over time. And the third is Runs End-to-End, 24/7, which means multi-step tasks continue executing on Runable's cloud computer until they're completed. Now let's move to one of the most important sections. Here you can see that Runclaw supports multiple messaging platforms, including Telegram, Slack, Discord, Microsoft Teams, and iMessage. For this tutorial, I'll demonstrate the complete end-to-end workflow using Telegram, since the overall experience and capabilities remain essentially the same across all supported platforms. So let's connect Telegram. I'll click the Connect button next to Telegram. Here you'll see both a QR code and an Open in Telegram option that allows you to authorize your Telegram account. In my case, Telegram Web is available, so I'll click Open in Web. As soon as I click it, the Runable bot automatically opens inside Telegram Web. This confirms that Telegram has been connected successfully, and I can now use the Runable AI agent directly inside Telegram. At this point, I no longer need to return to the website. That's one of Runclaw's biggest advantages. You can stay inside the messaging app you're already familiar with while executing complete AI-powered workflows. Now let's start a fresh conversation and see how Runclaw handles real-world tasks directly inside Telegram. First, I'm giving Runclaw a professional business task. Create a professional PDF presentation for our board meeting next week about the future of AI in business, including key trends, opportunities, risks, and actionable recommendations. Notice that I simply described my requirement in natural language. I didn't need a complicated prompt or a separate dashboard. As soon as I send the request, Runclaw immediately begins researching the topic. It gathers the latest information, understands the context, and starts building the presentation. You can also see it processing each step of the workflow. Instead of simply generating a response, it's executing an entire workflow from start to finish. That's what makes Runclaw function more like an AI agent than a traditional AI chatbot. Once the output is complete, the presentation is now ready. This is how Runclaw can generate complete presentations and business documents directly inside Telegram. Now let's try another example. This time, instead of research, we'll test design generation. Prompt: generate a modern invitation poster for our AI Workshop 2026. Use a blue and black futuristic theme with premium typography, event date, venue, and registration QR code placeholder. Here I'm creating a professional event poster using nothing more than a simple message. There's no need to open Photoshop or any design software. Runclaw manages the complete design workflow and delivers the finished creative directly inside the conversation. In this example, I simply asked it to create a dinner invitation. Within seconds, Runable generated a polished invitation page complete with the event title, date, time, location, and other relevant details. So whether you're organizing a business event or a personal gathering, a single prompt is enough to create an attractive invitation. Now let's walk through one more practical example. This time, I'll ask Runable to create a complete landing page for an AI video editing platform using just a single prompt. I'll simply describe my requirements, submit the prompt, and let Runable handle the entire workflow. Within moments, Runable generates the website and automatically deploys it. Now I'll open the live site directly in the browser. As you can see, the page loads with a polished hero section, clean navigation, prominent call to action buttons, and a modern, professional-looking user interface. As I scroll down, you'll find the features section. Here, capabilities like AI scene detection, smart captions, one-click color grading, AI sound design, and multi-track precision are presented in a clean, well-structured layout that's easy to navigate. Further down is the pricing section, where different plans and their included features are clearly organized, making it easy for users to compare options and choose the plan that best fits their needs. Next, we have the testimonials section, which showcases customer feedback and adds credibility and trust to the overall website experience. And we've completed the entire workflow directly inside the messaging app. Beyond Telegram, Runable also supports Slack, Discord, Microsoft Teams, and iMessage. The connection process is almost identical for each platform. Simply click Connect, authorize your account, and you'll be able to use the Runable AI agent directly inside whichever messaging platform you and your team already use. That means your AI workflows stay exactly where your conversations already happen. So that's the complete Runable workflow. Today, we saw how you can perform real-world AI tasks directly through Telegram and how the same seamless experience extends to Slack, Discord, Microsoft Teams, and iMessage. If you're looking to make your daily workflow faster, smarter, and more automated, Runable is definitely worth checking out. You'll find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.